Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 amazing tweaks to increase the response rate of various features on your Windows 11 device. These tweaks works on all Windows 11 versions, so let's get started. First, we'll reduce the delay in your menus. When you right-click on your desktop in Windows 11, you may notice that it takes a moment for the submenus to appear. We can speed up this for a smoother experience. Click on the Windows search bar and let's type registry. And select the registry editor. Click yes to open it. In the left menu, double-click on the H key current user and look for the control panel and double-click on it. Find the desktop folder and click on it. On the right side, locate the value named menu show delay. Now by default, this value is set to 400 milliseconds or 0.4 seconds. So let's double click on it and change the value from 400 to 0 and click OK. And to apply the changes, we can either restart the computer or simply restart the Windows Explorer. To restart the Windows Explorer, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click on it and choose Restart. Now, if you right-click on your desktop and open any menu, you should notice that it responds much quicker, enhancing your overall experience. Next, let's increase your monitor's refresh rate. A higher refresh rate allows your monitor to update images more frequently, resulting in a smoother motion, especially useful if you are gaming. Let's right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. From the left menu, click on System, then select Display. Scroll down to the related settings section and click on Advanced Display. Here, you'll see display information. If you have multiple displays, ensure you select the correct one. Under Choose a refresh rate, select the highest option available from the drop-down menu. Now, just keep in mind that a higher refresh rate consumes more power, so just make sure your PC is equipped to handle it. If you have a low-end PC, a higher refresh rate might not work effectively. Now, I recommend increasing the refresh rate gradually. For example, try moving from 60 to 90 before jumping all the way to 120. Just try different settings to see what works best for you. And lastly, let's make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause performance issues. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the display adapters. Right-click on your graphics card, whether it's an AMD or NVIDIA, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. If an updates are available, they will be installed automatically. Now, alternatively, you can manually download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. For instance, if you have an AMD graphics card, search for AMD Display Driver and go to the official AMD website and look for the options like Auto Detect or navigate to the specific model of your graphics card to download the appropriate driver. And once your graphics drivers are updated, your hardware should operate more smoothly, reducing any performance issues. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.